Yes, he hit me. He's trying to run.
Okay, where are you?
I'm on the Major Deegan. Well, not on Major Deegan. I'm on. I'm on Mount Haven right now.
Mount Haven? Are you on the highway?
No, I'm on the street.
You're not on the highway?
No.
Okay, so it's Sir, it's what avenue and what's other street?
This is. I'm not sure where this is right now. I'm on Willis. 137th. Yes, 137 and Willis.
137th Avenue and Willis.
Yes, I'm on 137 and Willis.
Okay, it's 127?
Yes, I'm going on 139th and Willis right now. We're going down Willis.
Okay, and what's that background noise? What's going on?
I'm chasing the car. He hit my car. He hit my car. He's trying to run. He crashed me.
Okay. Sir, are there any?
He hit me. He's trying to run. He hit me.
Okay, is anyone injured, sir? Hello, caller?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Sir, are there any?
I saw a cop, but right now I'm on 138th Street.
Okay, 138th Street, and what's the other street?
This is 138th and I'm by the Major Deegan.